Hello everyone. Welcome to day 3 vlog of my guitar challenge. And today my lesson will be to learn how to shift the chords from D major to E major. So let's start the first hour. I'm done with my breakfast and I'm good to go. So let's see. So the second hour is over and now it's time to eat something. So I thought first let's give all of you the update what's going on. It's going nice, like nothing much to do, just so the thing is I'm learning to switch from E major to D major and like vice versa. The main thing is the switching happens at a particular timing, so there are again metronome beats decided for that. So still when we try to do at that pace, sometimes the strings are not pressed properly of any of the E major or D major chord, so that time the blunt sound comes. So I think that is the main challenge right now, to perfect the chords on particular pace. So yeah, after food let's continue, because this will require a lot of practice. So that should be enough. Let's see what will be our result. Let's keep going. It's day 3 only, many more days to go. Let's take one day at a time. तो हेलो पीपल, तो हमने खाना खा लिया और शिवाली ने भी खाना खा लिया। तो इसका एग्ज़ाम हो गया है, ये आ गई एग्ज़ाम देके और इसने बहुत अच्छे से ABCD लिख के आई है, बढ़िया से एकदम। KG2 का एग्ज़ाम दे के आई है। अभी देखते हैं इस बार पास हो गई कि नहीं। और शिवाली आज जाएगी, अब 4 बजे चली जाएगी यहाँ से। तो शिवाली बहुत अमीर है, तो हम आपको दिखाएंगे। इसका पर्सनल ऑटो है ये, जहाँ पे भी जाती है ऑटो लेके जाती है, तो दिखाएंगे वो। बाकी हम सी ऑफ करने चलेंगे, और आप लोग अगर रोकना चाहो तो रोक लो, मैं तो नहीं रोकने वाला। We'll go to Jabalpur. So the main thing, let's start the third hour. Enough of the other things, let's focus. Let's start the third hour. Hello, so we need to start the fourth hour. It's going fine till right now, but the same problem, it is happening again and again. Like few of the times it will get perfect, but most of the times it won't come out nice. So yeah, we need to work on it. Let's see. I thought I'll record my, usually I record the result also, but I thought I should also do practice, include some practice time also in my vlog. So yeah, that you are listening, tuck, 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 tuck. So every fourth beat I need to change the chords. E major. Nice one. making mistake again and again is I need to hold the second string from my middle finger and just below that another finger, but most of the time I'm holding this, so it is coming like this now. But there's one benefit that I can, now recognize the sound and I can tell that okay, I have put the wrong chord. Sometimes, during the practice, some song will come into my mind and like, "O sajni re, kaise kate din raat, kaise mile tera saath, teri yaad sataave re, o sajni re, कैसे कटे दिन रात, कैसे हो तुझसे बात, तेरी याद सतावे रे." What to do? गिटार नहीं आता, सीख रहे हैं तो back to practice. I think I should keep singing in between. It enhances my mood and then I can do this better. So let's give it a final go before sleep, before the end of day 3. Let's see what is the result of today's practice. The sound of tuck 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 is from the metronome app. So every 4th beat I need to change the chords. So let's see. So that's it for today. I think it's time to get a nice sleep. Yeah, let's see what's there in day 4. Today's practice was satisfactory, and but the thing is, one thing I've realized is the shifting of chords. It will take a lot of practice, more than at least more than 6 hours, which I do. So yeah, I need to practice more. But yeah, let's see what's tomorrow, and